looking south right now. There's the riding arena. Here's the stables. And this adjoining field right here with this fine fellow in it is a proposed location for night vision. Yeah, this looks like it's about 4 or 5 acres. There's a yurt off in the background. There's a teepee over here that will be all up and running. And I guess we're going to go inside the barn right now. Let's see what's in the barn. Wow, what a nice house for a horse.
In here, so they're all warm and cozy.
I left these 6 lockers.
Which one's yours? Which one of these do you live in?
It's going to be your locker.
Well, how?
This says Mary Ann, but I think she's in there. She went to Arizona. So pull it. You pull on it and see what's in there. Oh, her saddle's in there. The weather's bad, then you can always see something here.
Wow. We are quiet. And I was going to ask too, like, obviously, what if we get like a killer thunderstorm or something?
Well, then you can move it all inside.
Yeah.
And then still we have the doors, and you can open up and stuff. And but yeah, all good done to your taste is going to do the catering. That's awesome. And then, do you know if you have a band yet?
Well, you know what? I think we do actually.
Okay. But I was telling Megan that you know, often in the field too, you can pull in a trailer.
Yeah.
Just like a big trailer. Scott Meehan did that one year.
A big flatbed, you mean?
Big flatbed, and
for
just have a band on there.
Yeah. Okay, so we've just come out of the indoor riding arena, which is our backup space if it rains. And really, just literally here in front of us, of course, is the stable. And right off in this direction is the big meadow, which is the proposed spot. We're going to walk across the meadow and go take a look at the yurt. This is Catherine's present home. Oops, right now. She bought this adjoining property. That was a home that was on it, and she renovated it extensively, and now it's her primary. Her former primary is on the other side of the barn. Wow, what a beautiful meadow. It's just a beautiful... Yeah, there's Catherine's former primary home, the blue one. But this is a gorgeous meadow. Lots of sunshine. Yeah, this is pretty close to 4 or 5 acres, I think. And 1 occupant. You gonna come over here and help me, buddy? Want to give me a ride? Huh? No, and you can't. No, can't eat the camera. No, can't do that. It's all right. Okay, the view from the yurt.
My hand is here. You're not going to fall backwards.
Well, then turn around. Turn around. See if you can turn around. Keep your heels in there.
Bodie, you're fine. Here. Bend. Bend. Bodie Alexander, take
It's
a
a
deep
big
breath.
step.
Take a deep breath. Lean forward and just reach your foot down, okay?
A little bit. There you go. There you feel it. Oh, good job.
Okay, do it again. You're good. Just keep lean forward and reach your foot down. There you go. No, you're good. You're good. Hold down. There you go. This is not my tree climber.
Big steps. They're big steps, aren't they?
You're doing good. Come on, Joe. Lean forward. All the way down. There you go. Okay, do it again. Lean forward. Touch down. Good job. Last one.
Look at you. Look.
How we get started.
Wow, look at
That is
this.
a tractor, not a tree.
This is all garden out here. And here is one of the greenhouses. Chocolate chip cookies. Oh.
I know.
Stop.
Wow, this is so cool.
It was awesome.
Oh, I love this.
Hey, why do you go your nothing here?
It's warm in here. Phoebe, get out of the plant. You can smell it. Let's smell it.
Right, hey, come on, guys.
Okay.
No.
We'll go marching back along.
Yes.
There's a walk.
We look with our eyeballs, little dude. Come on.
We've been working on that. And then all these, these are all rows of plants and flowers, a lot of flowers. Steve loves to do the flowers.
That's really cool. Really, Felix.
Beautiful space.